Okay, hello. We got merging intervals, pretty popular here. Google, Amazon, everyone wants it, and we need to merge some intervals. So we got the start date, end date, and there's a 1.3 and 2.6. So we need to merge it to 1.6 and go further with that one. So the first solution is to just sort it by the start date. When you sort it by the start date, then there's a need for iterating through linearly. Like take this one and merge it, and then when the start date is less than the next date, and we're going to get the iterator here and go so on and so forth. So but yeah, there's also another solution. You can go without sorting, and it's faster for the option when there's more interval that needs to be needs to be merged, like more overlapping periods. So the idea is just to iterate through the first one and find the first overlapping, just merge it and break the loop, the first upper loop, and then operate on that bigger one, like this one of 1.6. We're gonna change it to 1 and 6 and iterate through the rest of it. And if we found something that is overlapping, then we're gonna break it again and merge it, and we're going to go further with that one. Okay, so let's go with the implementation. And the so first of all, we need to include some m intervals of length. Okay, and now we got the int counter. So counter would be the output array, number of output arrays, and for int I is equal to 0, I is less than m minus 1, because they're going to go like a bubble sort. Int j is equal to I plus 1, and I is less than m, and j plus plus, not I mean j. Okay, that's pretty much it, and we need to take a number from that one, so that will be s1 is equal to intervals of taking the ith element. Okay, and same goes here, var s2 is equal to intervals taking the second element. And now we need to check if those periods are overlapping, that's s2. And if those are overlapping, that means that they are following the following pattern: s1.0 starting date is for sure before the s2 ending date, and let's go with the and also equals, and it's also like the ending date of the first one. Ending date of the first one is greater or equal to s2 with the starting date. Okay, so which means that there are overlapping. Okay, so and now if they are overlapping, we just need to take this second value and attach it to method min, because this is the starting point with s1 of 0 and s1 of s2 of 0. And same goes to the maximum value of ending date. Okay, let's go method max of s2.0 and s1.1 s2 of 1. Okay, and now we need to some kind of exclude mark this s1 is not valid, because we have already merged it here. We got this s1 inside of here. Great, so we're gonna mark it as if it could not exist, like the invalid input, like the time -1, because there's no negative time, and we need to reduce the counter, so the output array size here. So when we got that here, we know that there is an invalid input already, because we got that merge, like this period, this s1 is already in here. So we can just double check it, and if s1 of 0 is less than 0, which means that we can break this loop and be good with that one. Okay, now we just need to create an output array. So for results is equal to new int of counter, right? And that will gonna be it. And now we just need to iterate through just for some helper counter. Let's be it var c is equal to 0, Okay, so let's go with the interval with in intervals. Intervals. Okay, so we got the intervals, and now results of C++. Nice joke. Okay, so interval, and now we got it. We can just return it. We can just return the results, but wait, there's here we can only do that when there's a valid input, like we already marked it here. That was for a reason, so we need to do it like interval of 0th element. It must be at least 0, right? And then we're going to do it. Okay, and now we should work. Let's go. Okay, yeah, and it's pretty fast, so yeah, don't hesitate to review that again. So yeah, if you learned something, give a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Yeah, bye bye.